already need to slow down, geez. Hey guys, welcome to another POV Vibe with Blake G Drives. Today, or I should say tonight, I'm going to be driving my NA Miata again, as you could see from the title, in the style of POV. If you guys haven't seen my last video, be sure to do so. But in that video, I drove this car a little bit to a little meet that I had with my friends, shared a little bit of footage from that. Though I wasn't too satisfied with the amount of footage I actually shared of me driving the car, and the footage did not turn out too well because I had the ISO setting set way too high on my GoPro. So after making that video, I tried to correct that. So hopefully this video turns out a little bit better. It may turn out a little bit dark. It may even still turn out a little grainy, but we're just gonna jump right into this drive. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more Miata POV content, as well as hopefully POV content of other vehicles in the future. For those of you that are new to the channel, as well as new to my Miata, just to give you guys a quick little rundown, it's basically a stock Miata. Obviously, a handful of things have been updated and upgraded, but it's on coilovers. It has an ISR catback exhaust. It has a new clutch, couple other goodies, new Mazda speed motor mounts, and that's really about it. But I'm just gonna get on with the drive, as I have said, and we will see where the road takes us. I was in another little spot, but I got kicked out. I think it was like a little college campus. I'm in this other spot. It's pretty well lit, and it seems that nobody is here. I don't think I'm being watched. And so, yeah, I did kind of want to make the intro quick. But we will get on out of here. Looks like this place has motion sensor lights too. Oh, what's going on? To film this video before the sun went down, but when I went to check my GoPro, my battery was super low. There was no way I would have been able to film. I tried charging it, and I was still gonna try to make it out before the sun went away, but I also ended up having to run an errand, and it was just way too late. I'm gonna make a quick little left turn here. There's somebody's car alarm. We'll do a little pool right here, by the way. I don't want this to be too boring of a POV drive. nice little curve coming up. I'll do another pull once this light turns green, and then we can chill out again from there. Still gets up and goes despite being a 25-plus-year-old car with a little naturally aspirated four-banger. Can't beat it. I mentioned in my last video that I do drive this car a lot with earplugs, but I forgot to put them in after starting recording, so I'm just doing the rest of this video without earplugs. And again, I think I can also hear myself speak a little better without them. This light is about to turn green. Actually going to get off of this road here. Of course, right as I was coming through, there's a cop car pulling up, but he just went the other way. Got a little stop sign here. You guys might be able to hear on video this constant little squeak. Well, it's not quite constant, but it's there pretty prevalently. I even notice it when I have earplugs in and it's starting to bother me. I might get to the bottom of it and try to fix it. I'm sure it's nothing major. And I do plan on making a video in which I talk about future plans for the car, future upgrades, stuff like that. Which, spoiler alert, I don't have anything crazy planned for this car, but if you're curious about that, be sure to look out for a video regarding that in the future or near future. That's annoying. A second gear pull right here. I've actually been driving this car for the past several days, which I'm not going to get into. The Lancer's fine, but next time I do want to film a video with this car in the daylight, I feel like it would definitely turn out better. It's been so hot out lately. It's finally starting to cool off a little. Over the past day, it has gotten a little cooler. It's been a little bit more drivable during the day, but I want it to be to the point where I can drive it with the top down, no air conditioning on, and I'm not going to be sweating bullets, and I'll be able to enjoyably film a POV. That was a railroad crossing. I think we'll actually make a right here. It's about to turn left. We do have a speed camera here though. I already need to slow down, geez. If we can get some clearance, maybe I could do another little pull here. But we got Prius gang in front of us with the arm hanging out the window. We got speed bumps too. Oh, he's getting out of the way. All right, I hope we get this green light here. Here's a pool though. Once I rev out third gear, I feel like I'm just going way too fast. So at that point, I just stop. If I want to go faster than that, I gotta hit the highway. I think that's gonna do it for this little night POV drive though, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, be sure to look out for more POV content soon. And again, be sure to leave a like and comment what you think and subscribe for more content if you aren't subscribed already. Peace out.